Hi everyone, it's Johnny. I'm going on a trip to Madrid now on my first vacation in 3 years. So this is the intro. If you want to skip this intro, please do that through the timestamps, but I want to give you a little impact because this is actually the first time in 3 years that I'm going on vacation. Because I'm running my business now for 2 years full time, and it's always hard to find the time, to find the money, because I'm always investing in new tools, materials and stuff. And on the beginning of this video, I wanted to give you this short intro because I don't want to be known as a person who's like living the good life and celebrating the whole year long, going on vacation, making everyone jealous. In some way, I want to be known for hard work because I think this is what society helps and what we need these days. I think there are many people out there who are living the good life, and you can watch them on Instagram or wherever you want. But I don't want to be a person like this. So I hope that you maybe find the joy or can see the joy that I'm hopefully feeling when I'm going on this vacation, like the first time in 3 years, as I said. I'm learning with this because my head is always in my business and stuff. Sarah asks me sometimes, hey Johnny, can you even relax? Because my head is always somewhere else. So I'm learning to do holiday. And yeah, hopefully we have a good time. Hopefully we'll find some olive wood. This is actually one reason for this trip, going from Madrid to Munich in a camper. Yeah, just enjoy, watch the video and have fun with us.
Never waste my time, you are I want. Neither of us wanna be alone. Breathing in your love, on your touch. Oh, it's what I'm living for. Say I'll never waste my time, I'm all you want. Oh,
Es kommt noch einige Tapas.
yeah, we live it up, I know for sure that I'll always be yours. We could be spending time, chasing nights, cruise the one until we see the sunrise. Hit my line, we align. Every night with you's the time of my life. Baby, don't feel no pressure. And you make everything easy, everything except leaving on. I'll never make you my enemy. Can't get enough of your energy. Know that you're feeling the same way. Yeah, we live it up, I know for sure that I'll always be yours. We could be spending time, chasing nights, cruise the one until we see the sunrise. Hit my line, we align. Every night with you's the time of my life, the time of